slide on me and like to get it poppin'. But these bitches in my business come me out to choosing violence. If you see me out in public, you don't know me, keep it silent.
Good morning, guys. How are you doing, guys? I'm at 1,000 subscribers. Guess who is at 1,000 subscribers, baby? What? This has taken years. I mean, like 1,000. Yeah, 1,000 subscribers, and right now I'm introducing a new vlog to the new subscribers. Welcome to my channel. This is just a new vlog, a new week, new level. Right now my subscribers count is at 4 digits. I'm done with the 3 digits. Now we're at 4 digits. Then next year we'll be at 5 digits. Hey guys, I'm so happy. I wish you knew, like, I've just woken up right now. I think I should go celebrate myself. This is a win. Yeah, I really love this night. And just see how my period has made my stomach, swell. Yeah. Guys, I'm feeling so lazy today. It's Jamhuri, the 12th of December. I'm feeling so lazy. I'm supposed to go make my hair and go buy some flowers to celebrate 1,000. It ain't easy, guys. I swear. Yeah. So I'm gonna do that and, see how it goes.
It ain't safe round here, but she's still gonna hold on. It ain't safe round here, but she does it right from right here. Lust, guns, drugs, violence. Lust, guns, drugs, violence.
Hi guys, good morning. How are you doing? Oh, it's a very blessed Friday, the 13th of December, guys. And I'm so happy. Yesterday I could not celebrate myself because of the 1,000 subscribers, but I'm going to celebrate myself tomorrow. Yesterday I went to the salon and there was so many people there. Oh my goodness, so many. I had to wait because today I'm going to work, so I do not have the time, and tomorrow is the day that I'm supposed to celebrate myself. I'm also going to purchase some nice studio lights. Easy studio lights that I could shoot. Then a nice tripod. I don't have a tripod, I just have like a ring light, but a ring light has its tripod. But I want a tripod which I can travel with. If possible, I can buy myself a small suitcase which I'll pack my things when I go home. Then I'm going to buy my brother some shoes. Yeah, he wanted some sneakers. Oh my god, I don't even know what to choose, but I don't know. Yeah, he wanted some sneakers and I had to just buy him a sneaker. So let me take a shower, then I go to work. And I bought myself this nice bag. My friend sells bags, Slugshed by M on Instagram and TikTok. And I also bought myself a Gucci scarf where I'll put on my bob. Yani, I'll look classy. You just wait, guys. Do not forget to like this video. Just like, okay?
Need you for my sanity. Need you to remind me where I come from. You remind me of my gravity. Found me when I'm tumbling, firing, plumbing, and down to earth. You keep me down to earth. Call me on my bullshit. Lie to me and say I'm putting getting bigger, even if it ain't. Love me even if it rain. Love me even if it pain.
But kuna varieties za hii.
Hizi ziko tatu. This is the smallest. Kuna yenye inafuata 16, 19 and 24. 16 ni 45, 19 ni 55, 24 ni 70.
So guys, so as we said, I had 1,000 subscribers, and I said to myself, I've really been struggling to work, struggling to I've been struggling to make it in YouTube, barely surviving, and we survived and reached 1,000. So these are the flowers I got myself. Okay, they look so cute. I'll have a photo with them tomorrow. Yeah, I gifted, my number one gift is these nice flowers. And then this tripod. Yeah, this tripod is like this tripod was 2,500. I think it's being opened this way. Yeah, then you tighten it. Ooh, this is so nice. Like, I wanted the one lenye, it's foldable, like I can travel with it anytime. Oh my god, I don't even know how this is used. Oh yeah, oh my god, you guys, you are going to love these. And then the phone or camera holder. The fact that I still have a phone, the fact that I'm still having a phone, I'll just use the phone here to film. Like, I wanted I wanted a tripod yenye nikiendusha go, I can just film with no pressure, because I'll be going home, so I can't wait. I don't know, how is it done? Yeah. Yup, I don't know. Then this one here. Oh yeah, you guys, let me just set this up a minute. Hey, shh. You guys, my studio will be so cute. So I said this was 2,500. I bought everything from Lenny Ventures. This is the user manual. I'll read it if in any case I've done anything wrongly. It's called King Joy. This was the box. Love it, love it, love it. I got myself this nice this is its tripod, this nice studio light, period. Yeah, this nice studio light, it was 4,500. that is 7,000 down. Flowers account. Oh, it was well packaged. Actually, they do not have anything to protect it. Jamani, it has batteries. So ikitwa kuicharge dama, what am I seeing? Inatumia battery. Nataka ya stima. What? That is so bad. I didn't even notice. Battery. Hey. Battery ni ya remote. Battery ni ya remote, guys. I'm just so dramatic. Yeah, and then this is just the same as my tripod, the ring light one. It's the same. I didn't buy a microphone because pesa iliisha kwa hizi vitu. Yeah, let me just tighten it. Pesa iliisha kwa hizi vitu, guys. So how is it being connected? You guys, let me remove this here. Inaweza reduce concentration ya camera. So I know it's just being connected like a ring light or something. Yeah, because the ring light you just connect it.
It ain't safe round here, but she's still gonna hold on. It ain't safe round here, but she doesn't run from right here. Lust, guns, drugs, violence. Lust, guns, drugs, violence. Ooh, oh, won't let you go. Won't let you go, Your mama wants you about 5'6" to tell you the truth, she ain't lying to you. Baby, you said you ain't scared. Oh girl, I love how you care. I'll put your love on the pedestal. Whatever you want, I'ma get it for you. Hop in the whip, we can go school. Show you the city that made me like this. Ooh, 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 baby like this. Ooh, 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 baby look outside. Ooh, 21st Street. Ooh, baby look outside. See, your mom told you about this side. It could get ugly. I'm just a boy from the east side. We love me. Your mom told you about this side.
I need to feel something. I need to feel something. I wanna feel something. Real life and real dancing. Then I feel something. I need to feel something. Got a whole lot to live. Every time you chill lost, we get nowhere. I'm stuck in my head. I can't win to live now. When you said forever, did you mean forever? Take it on me easy. And I love to love. People wanna, they just wanna know where we born when it's over. Don't let it happen. Oh, don't let it happen. 'Cause I'm about to tap it. Actions speak louder than words. I say it over and over. When trying to get me, I need to feel something. I need to feel something. Girl, I know you want it. You want love for real. That's all you asking for. But you need more from me. Girl, I wonder. Girl, I wanna show you something where you don't gotta question your love. Please, girl, don't question it. I'm forever and just wanna
Full, sincere, and slightly Norwegian. You're my funny Valentine, sweet comic Valentine. You make me smile with my heart.
Guys, this is the back camera. Do you like the lighting or something? Sijawasha hata ring light, so I would like to, like, when I have my, what is this called, I'm increasing the light, so like when I have makeup, you know, sessions, I just be doing some cute videos. I mean, baby, I love this lighting. Let's see. There's another. Ooh, unapenda hii like I don't know which one ina nini na color yangu, but let's see. I'm just changing. I want to increase the light. Ooh, okay, I like the darker one. But yeah, congrats to me. Hi guys, how are you doing? I'm from shooting myself. This gift I got myself yesterday. Ah, easy flowers, I've not even removed them from their packaging, you know, because I just don't want to remove them, and I'm a little tipsy, guys. Yeah, I'm a little tipsy. So yeah, these flowers are so cute. I've been taking pictures with them. Oh, I'll unbox them tomorrow. They smell so good. Like they're not red roses. They're somehow pink, but closer to red. So they're so sexy. You know, red roses huharibika haraka. So thank you so much, you guys, for subscribing to my channel. Thank you for 1,000 subscribers. These flowers, I bought them because I got 1,000 subscribers. That's all. Otherwise, I would never have bought them. So I was just gifting it to myself because of the hard work I've been doing, and you know, also just I'm drunk. Let's meet in the next episode. I'm so damn drunk.
I've been having a lot of big feelings recently.
Like how?
Like, let me like, I feel a bit confused. And I feel like I don't really know what to do.
Tell me, do you feel the way my past days? When you lay on me, can you hear the way my heart breaks? I wanted you to have everything I never.
Need you for my sanity. Need you to remind me where I come from. Can you remind me of my gravity? Found me when I'm tumbling, firing, plummeting down to earth. You keep me down to earth. Call me on my bullshit. Lie to me and say I'm fully getting bigger, even if it ain't. Love me even if it rain. Love me even if it pain you. I know I be difficult. You know I be difficult. You know keep you difficult. Open your heart up. Open, I'll never find out that you're anyone else. 'Cause I love you just how you are.
You guys. Oh, I love these jeans. I've been wearing it the whole weekend, you know. I'm from having a get ready with me, and baby, I'm just over the moon about this wig. And I've been wearing the same earring for the past 2 weeks. So you got to leave me alone. Usiniambie oh unarudia mangono ni nguo yangu. Anywho. Ooh. Bye bye.